Ronda Miller here. I'm writing for The Land, 2023. This is Hallowed Ground. Dark streams form trains. Blackbirds and starlings trailed the horizon, east to west. Susurration, murmuration, crescendo from the cattail jungle, where nights were spent. They devour spilled crops at sunrise. The Cheyenne called it snow moon, hunger moon. Ride with a great blue heron under a full moon, their screeching, clacking sound at twilight. The off-season, a fierce fight for survival. Water takes refuge in sky, reflects vanquished, barren ground. Hope drifts windward, flutters amid 1,000 geese in winged flight, imprints black against a pink sunrise. Struggling life forms repel against each other, magnified by pools of water. I pause in reflection, a reminder of hallowed ground as seasons cycle round.